And how fucking dare anyone out there make fun of the Nutters? After all they've been through, they love their Twitch. They went through insanity. They have more fucking kids than they know what to do with. Their brains turned out to be flaky and illustrious. And now they're all going for brain surgery. God, dude. All you people care about is trying to be a nutter and a fellow flake. They're humans too. What you don't realize is that nutters are making you laugh. And all you do is rag on them all the time. They post videos every day of the year. Vogue did a video called More because all you people want is more. Leave them alone. You're lucky they even make videos for you bastards. Leave the nutters alone.